So we got the 2019 S7 back in the shop, Quattro. It's fancy now. It's got wheels, custom everything on it. And then he brought, let me show you guys what he brought and we installed. So still got the cats there. Then we did that resonator delete earlier in the year. And we did a muffler delete earlier in the year. Then he brought it back and put a new diffuser on it. And we had to adjust it a little bit more, as you guys can see there and there. And put him some fancy tips. He brought his own bolt-on tips. It was a lot of work to get them to fit. A lot of custom bends and stuff. But we got them to fit. They look really nice and clean on it compared to, I don't know where the other tips were. And there's that resonator we took off right there too. So we did a mid resonator delete on it today too. And those tips. Came out clean. Plug it from the side. Just fits it really nicely. You guys can see right there. I like it. All right, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. All right, guys, Audi S7, fully straight pipe with new diffuser and tips. It should barble now too. Give it gas. Give it gas. That sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. So it's not crazy loud still. It's clean. Again. Right at 89. One more. Go ahead and back it out. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Right before Due West Avenue. Yeah, off of Dickerson Pike. Fat car. Let you guys hear it on the inside.